Gmass tutorial. Hello everyone and welcome back. Are you looking to send out email campaigns but you can't find a simple solution? Or are you someone like me that always needs to organize their mailbox? Well, if you are someone that needs to enter your subject message and you want to make it simpler, you can use Gmass as a email marketing tool. Gmass can turn Gmail into an email marketing and cold email platform. It maximizes your deliverability and sends up automated follow-up sequences, all integrated within Gmail. So to get started, simply head on over to gmass.co. Once you do that, you can go into pricing and you can use their free version, but if you go into pricing over here, you will see individual as well as team pricing, and pricing is going to be adjusted based upon wherever you are located. So to get started, you're going to click on Add to Gmail here to add it to Gmail, and you're going to click on Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once you do that, you will find the extension on your top right. So under your extensions tab on your top right, you're going to find this, and you can pin this extension here. Once you pin it, you can click on the toolbar here, and once you do that, you can proceed with allowing it to write and read your data. So it's going to ask you for some permissions, which you are going to have to allow it to do. So you're going to choose your Google account and allow it the permissions that it requires, and it can send and compose and read all of your emails. Once done, you have a basic tour, but I'm going to skip that. And on the top right, you will have all of your mailing tools. So you guys will see these new icons are going to pop up. And once these new icons pop up, you will see, if you even go into the compose section, I'm going to expand this, you will see this Gmass settings. So you have test emails, you have templates, you have a bunch of different fields that you probably did not have before. You even have a spam solver, link checker, and email analyzer. And this is all included in the free version. On the top right, you have the email lists that you can store in your sheets. Then after that, you also have campaigns. And then after that, you will also have a dashboard for Gmass. So your Gmass dashboard is going to display all of your campaigns. Starting off, we're going to compose our first email, and I'm just going to open this up. Once I do that, I'm just going to be sending this to myself, and then I can enter a subject. Let's say sale. Our new summer sale is live. Let's say this is what I want to say. Now I can go into Gmass, and once I do that, I can open up this, and you guys can see one test email has been sent. Now from here we can proceed with our inbox, and you guys can see I've received my own email. However, this is a very bleak email. So you can proceed with using some of their other actions, including tracking as well as auto follow-ups, like so. Then you also have scheduling as well as advanced options. So how can I use these functions? Well, I'm just going to pop this up over here. Now what I would do is I personally like to enter a personalized first name field, and this is going to be based upon any list you've connected. If you do not have one, then you can leave it blank. Then after that, you can scroll down, and we have one template that we've used, but I'm going to delete this. I don't want to autofill the email, and I want tracking. I want to track the opens and then the clicks. Then after that, I have the action. Then I have auto follow-up. So if there is no open after 3 days or after 2 days, and then I want to send the above original text with this, just making sure you saw this. Then stage 2 is that if there is no reply or click or no click after, let's say, 10 days, I've reached out a couple of times, but I haven't heard back, I'd appreciate a response to my email below. Instead of this, which I think it sounds a bit too firm personally for the type of language that I speak, I'm going to change this. So I'm hoping your business is expanding well. Just here to remind you, if you have seen my business proposal to expand your brand globally using a few SEO techniques. Now after that I can go with stage 3, so on and so forth. Currently I'm only going to leave it at 2 stages. After that I can choose the schedule. So if I want to send out tomorrow afternoon at 1 p.m., tomorrow evening at 7 p.m., tomorrow morning at 8 a.m., whatever I prefer, I can add that. Then below that you can skip holidays, choose a specific day, and set an end time as well. I just want to schedule it right now. And then after that, I have the speed. So the maximum emails per day. You can click on show usage to see your usage. Below that, you can repeat this after every 1 day and set a bunch of different people, and then this will automatically send this to the entire list over a certain course of time to ensure that your deliverability and open rates are not going to be impacted. Because if you send out a mass email all at once to 5,000 different people, what that is going to do is that is going to mark your email as spam. So you don't want that. You want to go slow and steady. And you can do multi-send and send from multiple accounts. You can also spin text automatically, and this will automatically spin the email subject and message to create unique variations for each one of your recipients. This allows you to make sure that your emails are not repetitive. Then you can verify emails before sending. You can also send out different variations of the email with A/B testing. And send triggered emails when the recipient does something. So whenever they click on it, I might want to send them a specific email. Whenever they open to it or whenever they reply to it, I might want to send them a different sequence of emails. So I can specify that based upon their opens, clicks, replies. So what I would do is I'm going to turn on the triggers, and whenever they reply, then I want to instantly send this. So thank you for replying to our email. Our team will get back to you in 24 hours. I want this to be like an automated reply that is going to be sent out. Based upon whatever reply they've given, we can even build an entire email template for that. Below that, you can enter a reply to address as well, and you can also choose when to not send your email. So people in certain campaigns, if you can skip logging emails to sent folders, images, if you want to include email polls and timers, you can do that. Now, once done, you can choose your recipients. You can choose as many as you want. You can import from another Google Sheet. You can import from another campaign or from a list. If you have any lists that are added, you can add those. And once done, you can just proceed. So I'm just going to be selecting a bunch of my own emails to send this to, like this. And this is going to be grow your website. And then after that, I'm just going to add some text, grow your business with SEO, whatever you want to add in your email. Then once we've done that, we will even see this email analyzer, so it can send out our email for analysis. And once it analyzes the entire email, it's going to open up a new website, and it's going to tell us what is going to work and if it's going to get flagged. Once done, just click on the Gmass icon, and this will automatically send out the email. And just like that, you will have your email sent out. So this is how you can get started with using Gmass. Now, Gmass pricing is going to vary, individual as well as team plans, and then you have monthly and annual billing. Depending on the number of usage in the team plan, it's going to vary. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.